Oh my gosh, that's mama's help.
Now, we granted, how many wheels are on your
This year I was working with Clay Miller and Rachel Pearson over at ABC2. I'm trying to get them involved as well so that we can give it a little extra credence to the athletes as well. So all I can say is if you have a local artist
Get it.